How to buy any product on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy on Amazon in less than 1 minute. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see. Now choose the product that you want to buy. For example, let's choose one. I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now all what you have to do is simple: scroll down and read first the description and all the informations. Then go to the in stock and choose the quantity from here that you want to buy. For example, 1, 2, 3, and you have the option to choose until 20 here. I'm gonna choose one and click buy now from here, and it will take you directly to this page. Now fill your address informations and click use this address. After you finish, you will be able to add your payment method and everything will be done. It's so easy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.